Hey, it's the girl Kdid. Come back out to you today. So today we're doing this. Right now we're in November.
Yeah.
Today is the 16th.
Yeah.
So we're early. No, is it? Yes, today's the 16th of November 2021. But it doesn't matter. So I want to do. You supposed to do gingerbread houses before. I don't actually eat it. I throw them away. I just eat off the candy and I throw them away. I was gonna buy more candy for this one, but I might just buy more candy because we're doing one for church. But we're doing actually gingerbread houses. This is Oreo one. I think I want to buy another one. They have a Sour Patch Kid one, so
what? I'm
gonna show y'all this. Boom.
Yeah.
And boom, so y'all can see what I'm gonna be doing.
It's like Christmas.
So yeah. Oh, I forgot to put the light back on. So I cannot see it so damn bright. KK will be able to see you better than I would. So we're gonna be doing this.
I can't see you that much.
It's okay if you don't see me. As long as you see this, it's fine. Let me see you. It's okay. So this is no makeup, no togetherness. It doesn't matter.
No.
Just tell them a story about it doesn't matter. Come how you are, and plus it's like family time. You're coming into my family. We're family. Do I wear makeup for family? Do I wear makeup for family? Nah.
No. Okay, look. We got some ingredients. We got some of this.
What is that?
I don't know.
I'm done. That's icing.
Okay, we got some icing to put it together. We got the Oreos of the.
I wish they had white ones. That would have been so much better. Yeah.
We had the Oreo of the top of the Oreo like
this.
It's
choo-choo train. So did I have a directly before?
We also have different.
Sorry, they can't see right now. I'm just saying choo-choo trains. Choo-choo.
It's like the top, like this. And also we have different kind of candies too. Look at the different kind of candies. And we got food coloring.
That's not food coloring. That's more icing.
Oh, icing, green and red. Icing, that means for Christmas. And also look at all of these candies.
Yeah, so it's pretty cool.
And we also have this maker where you can like stick it on here.
I'm guessing. We'll figure it out. Hopefully it's not as bad as the last time. The last time I was struggling. So I'm gonna just do a little Instagram thing. Let's try to read. They don't give no other instructions than this. So we just literally ate food. We literally just ate food. I think we're gonna look at the back of the box. The back of the box has information. So
okay. First, we take this. Take this. Woo!
Girl.
So first we take a container that's white. So that means this.
You dropping things on the floor, sis?
What?
Something just dropped on the floor?
No.
I thought I heard something. Probably upstairs I heard it. I heard something hit the floor. Could have been upstairs.
Maybe it was on the table.
So we're doing this project. I asked her if she want to make cake or she want to do this. And she picked this. So guys, that's what we're doing tonight.
Yeah.
Choo-choo trains. We're recording right now.
Okay,
and
so
yes. So we're going to follow the back of the box.
Over.
Inside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
So we're doing this project. I asked if she want to make cake or she want to do.
We have, first thing we have to cut it. Cut this.
No, that's not the first thing, sis. That is, well, probably it is the first thing.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
What is the first thing?
I don't know.
Yeah, it just
icing pouch. An icing pouch for 1 to 2 minutes. Bring icing to room temperature and make it more adhesive. To start the flow of icing, remove the cap and snip the tip from the top of the tip. Be sure not to cut the opening too large. The icing now ready to use. Okay. You don't cut right here. You cut right here, okay?
I know.
Oh, I thought you didn't know. My bad, shorty. My bad, shorty.
You need scissors.
Okay, but you guys, the last time we was like this, I think it's good because it's been room temperature because we had it in that thing the whole time. Did I do it without cutting it? I guess not. I don't want to go. So tell them what happened in school today, KK.
So, you might see it on Instagram because we posted it there. And so, in school, there was a block room. And my teacher saw it and teacher said it was okay, and I was really scared. So then we lined it up to go to my old classroom, and then
Lined it up or line up?
we lined up. We lined up, and then we ran to my classroom because, and then after my teacher saw it, everybody else saw it. Everybody else. And also, when we
I think I made that a little too holy. Well, I should open up the other icings too, right?
So in class, when we
No, I
did
can
that,
do it.
they killed the rat, and then they put it in the garbage, and it died it.
It died it did. Okay. I guess you can close this back if you wanted to.
Yeah.
Whatever. So.
We got the cream.
So that's the rest of the story?
Yeah.
So I think they want you to break it. Train kit includes the cookies and the separate the train pieces by gently. So we're gonna separate the train pieces. So right now we're gonna put it in. Girl, what are you doing?
This one?
Separate these. We'll separate these.
Oh.
We can put them in here for right now. It should be clean.
Yeah.
Hopefully. So that's all what happened today?
Yeah. It was scary.
She said scary.
And the teacher said it was a furry friend, and it's a monster.
Ooh.
It's a monster.
Exactly. It's a
Yeah.
monster. It's a monster. So don't eat it now, KK. You're gonna eat it when we're done, so you can see it and I can see it.
Okay.
So you can try to break it. Take your time, though. Don't break it in the lines. You understand how to break it? I'm going to show you first.
I know how to
Do this one. Do that one first because it's smaller. If you mess it up, it's not gonna be as
Do you have
bad.
to do it like this?
Yeah, mommy coming. Okay.
Do we have no? I'm breaking the cookie.
What happened? Is it break it like?
Okay, I did
this?
it.
Yeah, take our time. Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh, that was really tricky. That one.
I did it 2 at a time.
I know, me too.
It was so easy.
It's supposed to be long like that, so don't break that. You want me to break it?
Yeah.
Let me take our times.
Yeah.
This is pretty cool. You broke it wrong?
Oh, yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright.
You can put the cream on.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the cream on. But right now. It's okay, Katanya.
Okay.
Katanya, but it's okay.
I saw somebody else put the gingerbread house.
Okay, but it's okay. You can put it together, okay?
Okay. I don't think you're supposed to do this. You know.
I think we are, but mommy can read it. I think we have to do that. Mommy will see what's going on. All we gotta do is read
First.
directions.
Read
Read first. Oh my God. Build the engine. Line the. I think we do have to take out the holes.
Yeah.
But we'll see. Hold on. Okay. Line the engine with icing. Place a dot of icing on the no. Oh no, that's icing on the center. I'm done. Of 2 Oreo cookies. So open the Oreo cookies.
Oreo cookies. This
And
one?
put them in here for now, yeah. So how do we do one? Is it? Because we could do it on there.
Oreo cookies. One is broken.
It's okay. It should be fine. So I think we have to do this. It makes more sense to do it like this. I think this is the way we have it. So I'll take this kind of like all this crowded. Okay. So.
Don't break the box.
Okay. So this is I think how we have to have it for right now. Right? I think. I don't know. Let's see. Last time we kind of figured it out. Let's see what happens. Okay. So get the 2 Oreo. You got the Oreo cookies?
These?
So it says.
Which one?
I feel like I struggle. Lord Jesus.
This one?
Lord Jesus.
Or you mean
No. The one in the bags. Yeah. So take those and put it right here for now. Let's see. It says building the engine. Line the Cover each of the ending with icing. 2 of icing on the center of the 2 Oreo cookies. What? I think I'm gonna be so slow with this. I'm gonna be so slow with this. It's gonna be a problem. How slow I am. Lord Jesus.
Come on, honey.
Girl, I'm trying to figure my life out. Leave me alone, girl. All right, let me try to read one more time. My brain is not. Oh my God, I'm failing already, guys. I don't know what to do. I'm struggling. Right now, I'm on this one. So, let's see. Line the with icing. Place a dot of icing on the center of 2 Oreo cookies. It says get the icing. Don't put a lot, and put it in the center of the Oreo cookies. I got that part from before.
In the middle?
Yeah, that's what they're telling me, girl.
Okay, I have to squeeze it carefully.
Yes, carefully.
Carefully.
Lord Jesus.
So carefully that I can't even make a mess. Come on. Almost there.
You can do it upside down and take your time and do it like that.
Okay.
I have more icing if we need icing, so it's not a big deal. Because I mean, don't do it in towards, so if it falls, it goes on the Oreo cookies, okay? So
Still not out.
It's okay. Just take your time. Line me over the engine with icing. It's basically just cook with KK, but make with KK, I guess.
In the middle.
Sandwich 3 cookies together and place
I did
in
it.
the easy box tray. So I did it in there too.
Oh.
It says sandwich. I'm so confused. Sandwich 3 cookies together.
Done. Done.
Okay, hold on. Sandwich 3 cookies together. That's 3 cookies. I'm so confused. Okay. We're gonna see what happens with this. So we're trying to make this one right now. So,
This is not 3 cookies. Those are 2 cookies.
I'm so confused.
This is not 3 cookies.
Is it supposed to be turned around like this? Is it supposed to be like this? I think so. I don't know. But I thought it's supposed to be in the front. That's why I'm so confused. Oh my God. Lord Jesus.
Just read the directions.
Katanya, I'm trying to read. Katanya, directions are not helping me. That's why I'm confused. That's why I'm confused now. I'm talking about.
Let me see. Which one are you on? This one?
Yes, Katanya. I'm trying to get the.
Line the.
We need another one. Get another Oreo cookie, please.
Another Oreo cookie and put the thing on it. Do I have to put the?
I guess so. Put it on top of here, baby. I think it's in the. We have it in the wrong place. That's why. This big one in the back. So, okay. So we have it. Don't eat it, Katanya.
No, I didn't.
So if you eat everything over, how are you gonna use it?
I didn't eat it.
The circle is in the front. So, all right. Okay. We have it in the right space. Okay. I had it wrong the first time. That's why. So we're gonna try to do this. Sandwich 3 Oreo cookies together. So, oh, give me one plain one.
What plain one?
Give me a plain Oreo cookie. We put that for later. Give me one plain Oreo cookie.
This one?
No. In here.
There's no more.
What?
There's no more.
Oh wow. So we waste this. It's all right. So you gotta put them all together. So help mommy.
There is this.
Oh yeah. That's fine. That's good. So we're gonna sandwich it now. It's okay. Now sandwich them. You're gonna put them like in a sandwich. Come. Can y'all see what
It's
we
already
doing?
in a sandwich.
No, like together. Like this. Yeah. Can y'all see what we're doing? And then put the other one in. Y'all can see it. Y'all can see it, but it's not like.
On the other side?
Yes, on the other side. So.
Like this?
Yeah, like a sandwich. Good.
Done.
Good girl. So one part of our train is done. Caboose.
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 Okay. Let me calm down before I hate thinking I'm doing the most. I'm not. Put a strip of icing along the. Alright.
Put the big face this way.
Hold on. Sandwich. Put a strip of icing along the short edge. What does that mean? Short edge.
I think they mean this.
Of the cow. What? The cow catcher and attach it to the front of the tree. What the hell's a cow catcher?
I think.
Oh, this. I think what looks like that. You see?
Yeah. Is it this?
No, that's the one you broke, isn't it?
No.
That's the one you broke. No, that's the one you broke right there.
Yeah, that's the one.
Alright, find the cow catcher.
Cow catcher. Where are you now? How many wishes are in the cow? Find it. Hey, let me look at the picture. No.
You see?
It's a circle. Not supposed to be a circle. Is it this?
No.
Let
Let me look. It's like it's this.
Oh.
So they said you putting the icing inside that. Put some icing on here. On the.
I don't think that can fit it since it's round.
Yeah, it can. It's gonna be right here. I'm gonna be tipping on the top tip.
Okay,
Don't on the right here, on this part, not the bottom.
Which part?
Somebody to do it. Right here, a line there. Yeah. Alright, so you're gonna have to push out the ice.
Doesn't stick.
You have to push out the icing like you want to get icing out. Okay. You just need a little bit too. You don't need a lot. What he said. Like that, okay?
Just eat that.
Girl, I don't want to eat it. I'm trying to get enough.
It tastes great.
I don't like icing, so I don't think it tastes good.
Fabulous.
It tastes like icing. I don't like icing.
It tastes fabulous.
So that's what we're doing, guys.
It looks
Yeah,
nice.
but everybody doesn't like everything. So you put it right here. Does that look like a train?
No.
I'm done.
No.
Katania's like, Mommy not fooling me, sis. Okay. So we got it on, did we put it on the right way? The long way, yeah, we did.
No, you didn't edge it out. You have to put it like this. You have to put it like that. You put it on the wrong way.
That's good.
No, you're supposed to. No, you're supposed. Look at the picture. It's supposed to be like this. I don't know how you're supposed to do it, but you're supposed to be like a different way, like on the top right here. You like stick it, and they like put it like that, so it could be like this.
No, I think we have to put things on it to do that.
No.
We add stuff on it. Oh, you mean like tippy?
Yeah. Like that. So take some, put some on the top. No, we have to put some on the top.
But we're not gonna decorate it right now. We're just setting it up.
No, not that. I'm talking about right here, so we could stick it to make it like a little petty.
So I know we could add that on last, Katani. That's not really part of the. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Does that make sense? We could add more to it later, just to make sure it stays. That's all. So that's what's going on. Tippy is like kind of like a tip, like you said. Right.
No, you have to put it down. Yeah, like that. Fabulous chain. Since
Think I can read.
If that one's broken, it can't stick to the other one.
I cleaned the box, so if you think I'm like touching, look at my hand and touching this, I cleaned the box already, so I don't feel away with lights or
Wait
white.
a second!
What?
I saw something.
What?
Wait, the cream like up there, it won't stick.
It's okay. It's fine. We don't need to have a lot of cream on it. Okay, I mean, right? So,
Okay.
put the strip icing, attach it to the front of the tray. Who calls it this though? Cow catcher. That's so weird. Assemble the engine. Ooh.
Assemble the engine.
Polish strip of icing halfway up the edges.
See, that is a part of the thing.
No, we're going to do the next part. We're doing that part now. All right, get the side of the edges. All right, so get the two sides for the tray, for this tray.
This?
Girl, I don't know. You know better than I do at this point. Are they the same height?
No.
Maybe that something was the same height. And what's gonna be for this one, okay?
This is not the same block.
Take time, so don't just push it back there, and I don't want to break it nothing. So
Let me look at the picture. Let me see the picture.
It's right there. Engine walls and attach them. Pile a strip of icing on halfway up the back edge.
I don't think we have it.
What the hell? That's how it's there. Everything is there. Don't just fling things around. Pile a strip of the walls and attach a rolled end piece.
No. You don't have it. You don't have it.
Katanya, what are you talking about?
We don't have it.
We have the stuff.
We don't have this piece.
Why are you yelling? Katanya, why are you yelling?
We need another one.
But why are you yelling?
But we need another one of
Katanya,
that.
there's no reason to yell.
But we need another one of
Katanya,
that.
we have everything that we need, okay?
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
All right, fine. That's what the house is, as you can see. Having an unruly kid, that's what happens. Katanya.
It's mine.
Okay. Attach rolls and pieces of the icing top edge. Attach each of the two wheels together with a dot of icing. What is no fair, Katanya? You want to put the icing? Don't open it and eat it. We need it for the decoration. You know what you can do for right now?
No, these are not for decoration.
Yes.
I'm trying to build the thing.
Okay, so put this. I need to do right now.
No, the wheels are small. Look at the picture.
Okay, Katanya.
The wheels are not big.
Alright.
They're different size.
Katanya, so calm.
See, look.
Can you calm down?
It's different size.
Okay, calm down. Okay, so.
And you're not looking at the right thing.
Tanya, calm down, baby.
No, you have the right thing. You're not supposed to be looking now.
Tanya, can you stop, please? Thanks. Thanks.
You're supposed to be opening.
Tanya, I don't need that right now.
Yes, you do. Look, that is the same thing.
Okay, but I don't need that right now, baby.
That's how we assemble the wheels.
Oh my gosh. So which one I need? They said.
That's not even the same height.
Tanya, can you wait? Just wait. Patience, baby. Patience. Okay. Those are the wheels. Is it this the one for this? Can't even tell from this. Same thing. Alright.
Nope.
Let me look at the picture.
On the thing you're supposed to be, and this is different. You're different.
Katanya, just wait. One of them is broke, so I have to also use that one. This is the same one as that.
So we have to assemble it.
Okay, Katanya. Alright. I'm just not upset. This is cool. We're coming. I think this is the top part. We'll see. Alright, so this, you see this window right there?
Yeah.
Do you see circles like this on it?
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna use, see?
Yeah. I'm trying to tell you that.
Katanya, but Mommy knows. Mommy, we're gonna help each other. Mommy, you said everything is here. Why do you not think that everything is here?
Because every time we don't find anything.
Well, we don't find it right away because we don't know what we're really doing. We're trying to figure it out while we go along, alright?
So we glue it. We glue it.
That part we're gonna glue last because it's broken, alright? But we're gonna do everything. We're gonna glue everything together. I promise. It don't look like it's that close, but we can try to get Mommy do some glue.
Yeah.
Yes.
Where's the glue? Oh. Can you move your thing push?
Well, actually, don't put glue right there yet. I think you have to just put glue in the sides.
That is the side.
No, I'm in the top, right here. Actually, this is what you're gonna do first. Put some glue here.
I knew you was gonna do it.
You knew I was gonna do it?
Yeah.
Oh. Choo choo. No, right there. Right here, KK. We need a little bit more than that. Like first, just put. No, a little bit more than that, KK. Okay, so we need to stop being stingy with this glue.
Ooh, we're gonna grab some from here and put it right
Good girl.
there.
Amazing. See?
Really tasty.
I guess. So,
Nice.
if am I the only person when they do gingerbread house I have to look at the pictures too? Because if not, fuck up dummy.
Okay,
Alright, so put it on top now. No, not there. On top right here. It's okay. Let's put it on top, just the top.
Yeah, looking good.
Put enough on. We are so stingy with this glue. We are so stingy with this glue. We really are. I'm gonna have to make this one sit down for a little while I do that with this one. Alright. Come.
More glue.
So you're being very stingy with the glue.
Because I'm trying.
Put some more, Kazania.
Okay. I'm trying. Done.
Okay. I think you gotta put some more in the back, but it's alright. Put the top on. The top right there.
What top?
The top is right here.
It's good. No, that has to be at the end. Further. Okay, good. It's a little bit wide. Oh my gosh, oopsies.
I think we gotta put
Move
way.
it back.
Oh my gosh. Alright, let me
I
do
think
the
we need
icing.
to put it right there.
Alright, we put the icing on.
Icing.
What I learned from the last time, you
I'm
gotta put
so
a
bad
lot.
at icing.
No, you're not. You're trying to save the icing, but we're not saving it. We have to use it as glue. Because if we don't, Mommy was doing the same.
Icing.
Mommy was doing the same thing though. Mommy was trying to be stingy with the icing, and it's not supposed to be stingy. You have to really put a lot on to make it stay. If you don't, it's not gonna stay. I don't even remember the last time we did it. It was falling apart, literally, because we didn't put enough icing on, and also I was putting the wrong parts on. So it was a hot mess.
Wow. Did it have instructions?
And yeah, we had instructions. We still was lost. I mean, what instructions mean, child? Why is this falling down? Like,
you're not putting it right there.
is it? Do we have this? This is the right way, right? Gosh.
Wait, no, it's the wrong way.
What's the wrong way?
This one.
No, I don't think that matters. I'm talking about, do we have this? So welcome back. I had a feeling my battery would would be exhausted. So now as you know, I have 3 batteries, so that kind of helps out. A couple more minutes had passed before I actually washed my hands. KK, get it together, sis. I had fixed it, but then she broke it down. So yeah, kind of got it together.
Yes.
So
try to fix it and then it went down.
It's okay, because Mommy not good at it either. We both just not that great at it. But we're trying. That's all that matters, right? Trying is the best. The worst. Trying is the best thing. Okay?
We got some cream on the table.
That's okay. We can clean it up. That's what Clorox wipes is for. That's what Lysol wipes are for. Because, Anya, don't worry about the wrong things, okay? Come. Just gotta be very careful now. Yes. So what parts do we want? So, you didn't miss much.
No.
Oh, Lord. My train is toppling over. So, what's next? What's in the picture?
Okay. So we're on this page?
No, down here.
Okay. Lay 4 walls of the first car on the table. The sides have 2 dots marked on them.
This is what we got so far, guys.
Pipe.
We have like 100 more steps left. We're right here on the thing. Lord. You're decorating. Decorating don't count. I just mean setting it up. That's all that's matters to me right now. So setting this crap up. Oh, Lord. This is what we got so far, guys.
Pipe ivy in the table.
Right, so what do we think we should do first?
We have to get
I don't know
like
either.
I think these.
All right, building the cars. Oh, we're building the car. The train cars
these
first.
4 things.
Okay, so lay 4 walls of the first car on the table. So put 4 of the things right here.
1, 2,
Be careful because you're gonna be knocking it over.
4.
All right, but it should be like this,
No,
right?
knock it over.
But I'm saying you have to make sure you like that, right?
No, you flipped it over. Why did you flip it over?
We have to put the icing right here. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. You just need a 4, it's a 4, right? Why do we have more than 4 here?
No, we don't. 1.
Yes, we do have more than 4.
Oopsies. I need another 4 for something else.
Okay, that should be stronger, I think now. I think I got the hang of it. I hope. So, but something is wrong. There's supposed to be 2 circles and 2 lineup.
There is 2 circles.
Yeah, but you have 4 circle ones.
3 circles.
So with that, I think it's this.
No.
Yeah, this.
This.
And Tanya found the picture.
I didn't get anything correct.
Cause Tanya, mommy has the directions most of the time, so you can't see the full thing, so it's fine. Maybe we'll need more of those. I don't know. Lay 4 walls of the first car on the table. The sides have 2 dots marks on your, okay?
Yeah.
Pile icing in the cavity for this car. What? They said pour icing?
On the cavity of this car.
So confused.
What's a cavity?
It's inside. So this is inside. So are you pouring icing in here? I'm so confused. I wonder if YouTube have this already done. The cavity. Alright. Dots run on them. Pipe icing in the cavity for this car. Pipe a strip of icing on the back edge of the end as shown. See? I think we need icing down here too. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna put icing down here. I don't really know.
Yeah, they're putting icing down.
Yeah, that's what I think. That's what it looks like. You wanna put icing down there?
Yeah.
You can do that.
I want to do icing.
Yeah. Ooh, let's put that other one.
Oh no. Okay.
Okay. Now put 2 lines on this.
In the inside?
Like how they did it in the picture right here. You see 2 lines?
Yeah.
Okay. Be very generous. Good. Just be careful. How they get there so neat? Mine's always look raggedy. Like, I don't know how they do it. They do it like so meticulously. I'm like, The one thing with this camera, I always know when it comes off, which is good. I do the same thing in the other one.
The other one too?
Yeah.
Okay, I have some cream on because it was dripping.
That's not enough, KK.
I know, I'll just add more after. I know.
Okay.
Ooh, that was fast.
Mm-hmm.
Let's
You
do
might
it.
be good at this, KK. Look at this. Ooh, look at those lines. Better than mommy could do it. I trust you. Better than mommy's. But it's okay. Okay. So, okay. Assemble the car. That don't make no sense there. Oh, I think you put the two edgies. Edgies.
Edgies.
Girl. So put the two down here and there. Put these there and those at the side.
Where?
Yeah. Did he put icing down here? He didn't put enough. You gotta stop being stingy, girl. Alright.
You have to line it up on there too.
So put the icing. Put the icing. Put the cookies. And then put these at the side to hold them in.
Like this?
Yep.
Oh, it doesn't fit.
It's okay. But don't push it. It's gonna probably make it like, you know. But it's fine. As long as like up like this, it's fine.
Yeah.
You put some down here too? You didn't put them down here.
Oh.
It's okay, Katan. You're doing fine.
Can I do a second one?
Alright, put it down there. Here you go.
It's okay.
Put it down here. I know it's okay.
Right here?
Down here in this line.
Oh, you need to put it here?
No, it's fine. No, it's good. It's good. So just kind of scoop it and push it in. You can use a cookie, Katanya.
Okay.
So you wish you had more kids to kind of eat the cookies up. But yeah. So this is coming out probably the first day of Vlogmas, probably.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have to push this one.
Got it. This one's very good. Much better than the last one.
Yes.
Yes. Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Hey. Let's do our hair shake. Ooh. I'm done with this. We're fired. We're both fired. Hold on.
Fired.
Attach
Everybody
the
fired.
other end. Repeat with second car. We're gonna do the same thing with this car. The same thing. So first thing you do the same steps around here.
It's the same thing. That's why we have two. No, we don't have any more. Of like these with the S on it.
Remember I told you?
Oh.
This.
Forgot.
These are the ones that you put two lines on.
No, this one.
This one you put two lines on. So first put the ice thing right here.
So we don't have any more S's.
It's okay.
It's not S.
It doesn't matter. That's the same thing.
Well, we might
What
need it for
happened was
more.
What happened was, I think, I don't know, we don't need it anymore. After this is the last card.
This is the last card. We need 3.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Let's have an S on this side. It don't matter.
No. Put it
Not in the middle. Not in the middle, Katanya. It's okay. Try to get it. Try to put more there.
Good. Did a lot, but it was really good.
So, I think we're supposed to take the Oreo, the last Oreo, and stick it right here.
Stick it where?
Right there.
Don't have any more.
No, you don't need any more. Okay, so you didn't put the dot? You didn't put the lines.
Oh, I forgot to put the lines. Let's get lines. Yeah, let's get the lines.
No, not with that, Katanya. Use the icing, babes.
I am using ice glue.
Oh my God, that's not what I mean, Katanya.
Okay.
Do it on top of here. Hurry up. Do it on here. Do not disable. Don't have to clean up for days.
Clean up for days. For days.
I don't know what the rest of this stuff is for, but we'll find out, I guess.
I think the rest of the stuff is for decorating.
So that,
Need more icing on here.
let me see what the rest of the stuff is for. Okay, we need to do that. Carefully cut the ends of the writer as shown. Why did I just get the peel off thingy? I knew we had them cutting these. What's on me? Alright, do it to the second one, please. She'll be doing this off. Oh Lord, I'll be doing this off. Off the thingy, off camera.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, I should have watched this before I came. Before I got my
And the rest of the icing is for decorating.
Maybe.
No, it's on the picture.
Ooh.
I'm gonna mix this one up.
Huh?
I messed some
It's okay.
this up.
Oh. Okay. So remember what we did? No, you don't. The sides.
Oh, we need more.
Yeah, because I told you to put a lot in them.
I thought I did. Let's pull up my sleeve so it doesn't get dirty.
Well, you're just going in the wash. You're not wearing it. Man, put it in. Alright, that should be good. Yeah. Alright, put your sides on, Katana. Put your wheels. Alright, that's fine. Put your wheels.
It's a push. This one. Yeah. Think it could fit.
You got the wrong one on this side?
We got the right one.
Yeah, it's not fitting. Sorry.
It's fitting now.
Well, this one's too big.
No! Why did you do that?
It's not fitting.
It was fitting!
No.
Wait.
Calm down, Katanya. Calm down.
Please, let me show you.
Katanya,
I just saw it.
Katanya, it's not fitting.
See? It just did.
It looks too small. I mean, too big.
See it? It does fit.
We just have to jam it in there. The other one we didn't have to jam in. I think this is for something else. I don't think this one is for this one.
So you think this one? Because they're the same size.
They look too big. Probably put up the sides wrong.
Oh, we did get the wrong. No, this one is bigger than all of them.
This one doesn't fit in this one either.
What do you mean?
Look at the trays. Well, now it's fitting, I think. Oh my gosh. Not fitting. Guys, I know we look crazy, but I was trying to push it in and it wasn't going into the plastic. So it's fitting now.
Now it is.
Yeah. Ugh, mess.
But it's okay.
Mess express.
Yeah.
But as she said, it's better. It's okay. Cut off the thing.
Cut off
As
what?
shown. Cut the thing for the writers.
Can I write now?
You are now ready to decorate your tray. Decorating remaining cookie pieces as presents and pieces inside the car once completed. Okay.
Oh, wait. You did this part wrong. It's supposed to have a square on it.
It was a square.
No, it's a circle.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Put that on it.
I don't think it matters. We have this extra pieces. These are literally extra pieces. You could do this one as presents, they said. Use it as presents or whatever.
Okay, I'm going
We'll put that one on there that it said. It's supposed to be this one on there.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you could decorate it too.
Okay, we'll put that one on instead. You can put that as gifts, he said.
I know. I'm gonna put it like so good. This is hard. This is so hard. Ow.
So there you have it. It's not done completely. We gotta do is decorate it, and we pretty much did it.
And we're gonna decorate it.
We'll see if we can
And then we're gonna.
You might gotta add more icing to this one.
Only one way. It is so.
I don't know what happened. What's going on? It's supposed to be recording. It says recording. I don't know. But this is what we have so far. So now what we're gonna do is fill the sticky places.
So
you could just decorate basically. And she's been doing that. Have you just been eating the candy?
No.
No. Don't just eat it. I should put some extra candy, but it's okay. Put some.
I was trying to make like
As a smiley face.
A smiley face.
As a smiley face.
That's funny. I'm gonna add some green and see if it works. And it doesn't. You can only use red.
Alright, I'm gonna get the green.
The green is terrifying. Doesn't want to be poured out. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna make like a furry thing.
Oh.
It's gonna be so furry.
When you're done, you can put it right there as a present.
Oh, that's the present? What?
Put it on there like a thing for like a top.
We can add some rest stuff on it.
Yeah,
To be so cute.
Palm. Pattern.
It's funny. I'm gonna add 2 eyes. What if I make it a Christmas gift?
You can make it into a gift, yeah.
Look at it.
Give me the green. Give me the green so I can go open it.
Okay.
Pattern.
Pattern.
Pattern. I didn't open it properly, guys. It's a mess. Well, I opened it, but it's not opening all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow with a one-horse. Because we had actual Christmas music. Open sleigh. Oh, I opened it too much now. Wow. Over the hills we go.
Walking all the way home.
Ringing bottle rings, making spirits bright.
One and hold a little ride in a rain and a horse and bright. Oh, jingle bell. Oh, jingle bell. Jingle all that way.
Ooh.
Oh, just falling into Ryan and when a horse opens sleigh. Can I make something?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Can I make like a little?
The snow. You can put the other open the other Oreos.
Other Oreos? What Oreo?
The small ones.
Small ones. Time to get decorated. When a one-horse open sleigh.
That was very Jamaican of you. I'm proud. I'm very proud. Over the.
We're gonna decorate. Yes. I'm gonna add this.
Over the hills we go. Keep it over here so it doesn't roll away, okay? Because I don't want it to be on the floor.
Oh! That's a little bit too
Jingle
much.
bell, jingle bell.
Oh, jingle all the way.
Pop, pop, pop.
I'm gonna sprinkle my beads and a
Hope it tastes good.
one-horse open sleigh.
No.
Tastes like nothing.
I wore this in high school, 12th grade, when I bought that shirt. 12th grade.
Now
Now she wears all my old shirts.
Open sleigh.
Over the hills we go.
Laughing all that way. Ha ha ha.
Didn't bump the rings.
Letting brothers bright.
Let the spirit bright.
No. And one of ours opens
Now we just
sleigh.
decorated it now, so.
One of ours opens sleigh. Sleigh,
This one looking like a caboose as much. Caboosing, but.
A caboose and a boosing.
It don't obviously look as good as the picture. But when you're a mother and a child, and I'm not artistic.
And we're doing our thing. Doing our thing.
Exactly, we're doing our
Yeah.
thing. So.
Why would you do that?
Look at trend. Look at choo. That one looked at the most trending. Choo without this. Choo choo. Yes. We did it, KK. I'm surprised.
Yeah.
We're struggling for a little tiny bit.
I'm gonna put.
Not as much as the gingerbread house. That one was the pain in my behind. We did it the first time. Oh, the worst. I want to taste how this tastes. Try to keep it in there.
Yeah.
Not as good as I think.
No.
Well, I think.
It's Oreos.
This is. Now we're just decorating it now, so.
Over the here we go. Laughing all that way. Ha
I think it's
ha.
okay. I want to do this Oreo. Probably needs milk. It's okay. It's okay. Get it after.
Laughing to the snow.
Alright, guys. Later.
Why don't they stick?
You gotta put it on the thing.
Can after I decorate it, can we eat it?
Yeah.
Yes! So cool. We're already eating it.
You eat some. You never eat the whole thing. Look at this. Got little, what do you call it?
Lovely.
Little caboose. The Oreo itself is better than the Oreo, this Oreo thing. I don't know. Maybe the icing in the Oreo because it tastes better, but guys, we gotta see it. To be finished. It's pretty much done. So y'all see it. Move your hand from it, KK. Oh Lord. That's what it did. Alright guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing if you like real stuff. It's okay, because it's not that serious. If you like real stuff, this is it. This is our family. Here crazy. I'm crazy. We doing it. Alright guys?
Everybody crazy!
As she said. Anyway guys, love you. Bye. Peace.
Broken.
Subscribe. Why not? Right?
And like. And hit that bell.
Comment. Duh.
Duh.